Something surprising about gardening. You don't need land, a backyard, or a farm to grow your own food. Even a balcony, a window, or a small corner of your home can produce fresh vegetables for months. Most people think gardening needs space, but that belief is exactly why they never start. Home gardening for small spaces isn't new. It's how many families survived before supermarkets and large farms took over. Today, food prices are rising, space is shrinking, and people are searching for healthier options. Small space gardening brings food production back into our homes, no matter where we live. In this video, you'll learn how to grow food in limited space, what crops work best, the biggest mistakes beginners make, and how to turn even the smallest area into a productive garden. Growing food at home saves money, improves nutrition, and gives you total control over what you eat. Vegetables harvested fresh contain more nutrients than store-bought produce that has traveled long distances. It also reduces stress, improves mental health, and reconnects us with nature. Even one container can reduce grocery costs and increase your food security. Grow food on balconies, windowsills, rooftops, corridors, stair landings, and even indoors near sunlight. If a space receives 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily, it can grow food. The size of the space doesn't matter, how you use it does. And you don't need expensive pots. Buckets, sacks, recycled containers, basins, baskets, and even old bottles work perfectly, as long as they have drainage holes. Containers give you better soil control, reduce pests, and allow gardening on concrete surfaces. But remember, the key is drainage. Waterlogged roots kill plants faster than a lack of fertilizer. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, lettuce, coriander, and sakuma grow fast and need shallow roots. Tomatoes, peppers, onions, strawberries, and herbs also thrive in pots. If you're really tight on space, use vertical growers like beans or cucumbers to grow upward instead of outward. Most container gardens fail due to one thing: overwatering. Containers need loose, well-draining soil mixed with compost. Water deeply, but only when the topsoil feels dry. Soggy roots cause disease, while balanced moisture promotes healthy growth. Always remember, healthy soil matters more than expensive fertilizer. Overcrowding plants, poor drainage, and ignoring sunlight are the biggest mistakes you can make. One healthy plant produces more food than several stressed ones. Small space gardening is about balance, patience, and consistency, not rushing results. Our parents and grandparents practiced small space gardening naturally. They reused containers, composted kitchen waste, and saved seeds. These methods weren't trends, they were survival skills. Returning to them isn't moving backward, it's moving smarter. You don't need land to grow food. You need sunlight, soil, and the willingness to start. One container can feed you for months. Home gardening isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Start where you are with what you have. If this video helped you, like, share, and follow for more simple ways to grow food at home.